Have you ever heard of the Flat Bridge in Jamaica? It's an old, unassuming bridge with a dark and mysterious legend attached to it. Locals will tell you to hold your breath as you cross, or else you might anger the spirit that lives beneath its waters. This isn't just any ghost story. It's the tale of the Mermaid of Flat Bridge. Legend has it that during the era of slavery, a woman named Olhige was the spiritual leader of a village near the Rio Cobre river. When slave masters came to destroy her village, she and her people chose to leap into the river rather than be captured. But Olhige didn't perish. Instead, she transformed into a powerful mermaid, becoming the eternal guardian of the river. They say she still lives in a golden grotto deep beneath the flat bridge. Some believe she is a vengeful spirit, dragging unsuspecting victims to a watery grave, especially those who disrespect her river. Drivers often report strange occurrences, like their cars suddenly stalling on the bridge, or seeing a mysterious figure in the water. Local divers and fishermen have their own stories, too. Tales of eerie songs echoing from the depths and sightings of a woman with a shimmering tail. Is she a protector or a predator? The stories vary. Some say she pulls people under to join her in her underwater kingdom, while others believe she only targets those who pollute or disrespect her home. One popular tale claims that she once tried to pull a bus full of people into the river, but a baby on board cried out, and its innocence forced her to release the bus. Despite the fear she inspires, many also see her as a symbol of resistance and freedom, a powerful figure who defied oppression. So, the next time you hear about Jamaica, remember, it's not just about beautiful beaches and reggae music. It's also a land of deep mystery and powerful legends, like the Mermaid of Flat Bridge. What do you think? Is it just a spooky story to keep people safe? Or is there really a guardian mermaid in the Rio Cobre?